No, it's bad when you pop the hood. Somebody's already wrote details on it. Hey, other people's kids. Other people's kids. Did not like it there.
You can go. Oh shit. Where can we put it? Definitely smells worse.
The gas tank's leaking.
Oh, yep, definitely gas.
Going off the back of the motor.
Yep.
Right there, see it? Flame. Look up here. See that? Oh, God.
Fire!
So you see, come back here, Todd, you can see off the end of that little bit of a block there. See it driven right there? Coming down? I can see it back here, look.
Oh yeah, yep,
See it
yep,
driven?
yep, yep. I saw it.
He's got something on. Dripping fuel everywhere. Okay. That's what I thought. Good thing she brought it in. Good thing she brought it in.
God, that could start a fire so easy.
Oh, so easy.
Jesus.
The worst part about this is I don't know what's leaking antifreeze out the front. So I don't see anything leaking out of the top there. So I see it right here.
Yep. That's what I saw too. Like almost like maybe just like a either right at that weld or right above it.
Well, it's got to be right above it. You'll see a little bit of a trail going down, like right here. We're going to pressurize the radiator,
Okay.
and that'll give us a sign of where that's leaking from. That's nasty fuel leak. The intake's going to have to come off of it. She's saturated. But I mean, I guess you can always find out by just plopping the key on. Turn the key on. Oh yeah. All right, turn it off. Definitely that middle injector. We're gonna have to check that injector to see if the injector's okay.
Okay.
But definitely that middle injector is just leaking fuel everywhere. Yeah, see, that's where the hose is running to the other valve cover. That's what I thought. The one that's broken and the other one runs to the valve cover.
Okay. So pull it.
What? We got to pull the rail, and then we got to see. I'll see if I can get some injector O-rings for it. Don't know why it was leaking. I mean, it's just an O-ring that's supposed to be round. It's missing chunks. I mean, chunks. Shabby work by other shops. Sucks. Customer has to pay twice. Not my fault, but not his fault either. People should stand behind their work. Do better work.
Let the spirit say.